I have talked about gift ideas for males, so this video I want to talk of that of the female. Hi my cherries, welcome back to another video. It's your favorite girl here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to today's video. Today's video is, you guys can see on the title already, it's still Vlogmas and it's gift ideas for females in your life. I already did that of the male. You can go check it on my channel, and I'm also going to be leaving a link to it here. I think, yeah, here, okay, I think this side, but any one of the two, I'm going to be leaving the card for you guys, so go check it out. If this is your first time of ever seeing this pretty face, hiya, welcome to my channel. Please join this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button. You can see why you're watching this video. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever any video comes out from me. And also, if you find this video helpful, share with your friends and your family. Also, leave your comment in the comment section below. It means a whole lot to me, and it will also help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to other people that you think might be interested in it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted at all. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to be diving right into the reason why for today's video, which are gift ideas for female. The first one I'm going to be listing here is jewelry sets. Yeah, females love jewelry sets so much. Everybody want to have jewelry sets. I know that some females do love jewelries more than some. Like someone like me, I can actually go out without not putting on any jewelry, maybe just my earrings, and I'm good to go. But some people love to like accessorize so much: the necklace, the earrings, the bangles, the chain, the rings, and all of that. They love it. So female really appreciate jewelry a lot. And jewelry as a Christmas gift idea is really a thoughtful gift to get for that female partner, that female friend, that female colleague, that female sibling in your life. Another thoughtful gift here is handbag. Yes, we love handbags. Females love handbags. And let me put this out there. The gift ideas that I'm putting out are gift ideas that you don't need to spend much. Like you don't need to break a bank to get these gift ideas. You can get jewelry sets for 10,000 and below. Also, for handbags, you can get good handbags for 10,000 naira as well. So these are the kind of things, because the reason why I'm doing this video is mainly for those that do not have the habits, because it's another one thing of gifting people on Christmas Day. So you want to start, you don't want to splurge too much, you don't want to spend too much. These are thoughtful gift ideas that you can start with. I don't know, I can't say this, I can't really say 100% if I'm going to be leaving pictures of some of the things I'm talking about, or if I would not. I don't know yet. I'm not promising anything. So, but I'll just be listing them, and as well I can be leaving samples. So that's it. Another thoughtful gift here, another thoughtful gift is wristwatches. Yes, females love wristwatches. It's a form of accessory for us, we ladies, when we wear our wristwatches. Yes, we really love wristwatch. I, for one, I love wristwatch so much. I love wearing wristwatch. I really don't like that idea of I want to check time and I have to start bringing out my phone to check time. I just want to look at my wrist, and then I check time on my wristwatch. So wristwatch is a thoughtful gift that you can get for that female person in your life as a Christmas gift. Really thoughtful gift that women appreciate so much, and definitely I guarantee you this one. Any female in your life that you get this gift for, they will really appreciate. It's not something that will last forever, but they would really be thankful that you actually got them this gift. And what am I talking about? Skincare product. Yes, ladies are raving about skincare these days. Every lady want to do skincare. So even if it is not every lady, like 95% want to do skincare. So any female you get skincare product for, they would really appreciate it. They would really appreciate it. Even though I know that skincare is something that you shouldn't get for someone, they should get it based on their skin type. But at the same time, they are the ones that are for every skin type. If you get them gifts like that, they would really appreciate it. I, for one, I would definitely appreciate a skincare product as a Christmas gift. I would really appreciate it, because it will save me money. Even if I'm not using it right now, I will definitely still use it. Maybe I have the one I'm using right now. It will come in handy. So it's a very thoughtful and beautiful gift to get for that female in your life for Christmas. Another gift here is perfume. We love to smell good. Ladies love to smell good. Ladies love to smell good. We love to smell nice. We love to, I know everyone, but the male, they like smelling good, but we ladies, we take it more seriously. Just like we take our skincare products serious as well. So yeah, perfumes are very good Christmas gift ideas to get for that female in your life. Perfumes are really nice, and you don't need to spend so much. Like I will still say, you don't need to spend so much to get those kind of gifts. You don't need to spend too much to get a perfume. There are perfume of 10,000 and less. You don't even need to get the 100 ml bottle ones. You can get the 50 ml bottle ones. You can even get the 30 ml, depending on the one you can afford. What counts is the thoughts, honestly, not the magnitude of the gift. Yeah, because if, like someone like me, I'm not actually expecting any Christmas gift. I think the only Christmas gift, we Nigerians and ladies, I would say it's loving when they not ask you, money for Christmas clothes, money for Christmas hair, money for this one, money for that one. But if you still get them a gift, we're not expecting it. Like me getting a gift, I'm not expecting this from anybody, and then you give me a gift, I would really, really appreciate it. It's a thoughtful thing. It may not be so much expensive, but it's the thoughts that counts. At least it's something that we should cultivate into our habit as Africans that we are not used to, like Nigerians. Let me even use my country as a case study. Like Nigerians, it's not something we are used to. So doing it is new and will definitely be new for some. So the gifts you get them, no matter how little it is, I definitely believe that they will really, really appreciate it. They will really, really appreciate it. So perfume is a very good gift to get for a female, that female in your life for Christmas. And another one here is shoes. The shoes, I'm not saying that compulsory must be heels. It can be slippers, all these fancy slippers. It can be heels. I guess for you to want to get such a gift for that person, that female person in your life, you should probably know what they like. If they like prefer more of slippers or you prefer more of shoes like heels and all of that, that kind of a gift is a very, very nice, thoughtful gift that female in your life would definitely appreciate it. I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't been looking at the camera all the while I've been doing this video, but just bear with me, guys. You guys just know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how that happened. I haven't been looking at the camera. I don't know what happened, but that happened. So sorry. I've been looking here instead of looking here. But anywho, you guys understand the message I'm trying to pass across? Because I don't even see myself starting this video from the beginning again. I'm sorry. I don't. But yeah, as I was saying, a shoe or slippers is a very beautiful and thoughtful gift to get for that female in your life for Christmas. It's a very nice gift. It is thoughtful. All these gifts that I mentioned. But if you want, you can also get a photo frame. But for this one, I don't really think or know if ladies will really like this kind of a photo frame. But it's still a very good gift idea for Christmas to get for that female person in your life. A photo frame is also a very beautiful thought gift idea. And so you can actually opt for that if that is what you can afford, if that is what you want. So yeah, those are the gift ideas I said I should share with you guys. Okay, let me even be honest with you guys at this point. I actually didn't want to do this video anymore, but I thought I already did that for that of the male. So not doing that of the female would not be nice. So I said, let me do this. That is why I had to rush this video. But you guys understand the message I'm trying to pass across, and I listed these things for you guys so you guys will know. And I will tell you the reason why. Another thing is, again, I will not be doing Vlogmas anymore this year, and I don't even think I'll be doing Vlogmas again, ever again. And I'm going to share with you guys the reason why. First off, I didn't plan very well for Vlogmas this year. I think I just talked about it in one of my vlogs in November. And if I even mentioned it then, I haven't prepared at all for Vlogmas. And a lot of things that I planned out that I was going to do for December this year, I did not do a whole lot of it. In fact, I've been turning down events. I've been invited to so many events. Today is just what is today's date again? Today is just 16, and I have turned down a whole lot of events. And there are still more that I've already turned down that is not here yet. I don't know why I'm in this space. I just entered December. Not like I'm feeling sad, but I'm just in that space where I don't feel like going out. I don't feel like doing anything extravaganza for Christmas. I even said I was going to go to Inco Roundabout to go and do content on the Christmas light and all of that. And not like I haven't had time to go. I just wasn't in that mood to go anymore. And I don't know why that happened. In November, I was so pumped, ready for 30 December. And then the December entered. I am not in any way unhappy. I am not in any way sad. I just don't know. I don't even know how to explain it, but I just feel like I'm just in that space where I don't feel like going out. I don't feel like going out. And you imagine a content creator not feeling like going out. This is an opportunity for you to have a whole lot of content to create. And then this happened. But it is what it is. The ones I can create whenever I'm able to drag myself out, you guys will just make do with that and then watch it. Because another thing again is the two vlogmas have posted self, the views on them are whack. Like they are whack compared to my normal videos. I tend to get more videos compared to the vlogmas on, and I'm like, that alone just drew me down my the urge, the excitement I had about Vlogmas to create for Vlogmas, and I'm like, I don't understand. What is this? What is this? So with that again, the thing just kills my morale of creating content for Vlogmas and all of that. But I'll still be posting my normal videos whenever they come. And I think I also want to involve myself. Like I want to create a schedule. I want to create a schedule for next year. So how I will be creating for my YouTube channel. And this is what I want to do. I think I'll be creating my vlogs every Sunday. I'll be creating vlogs every either Saturday or Sunday. And then during the weekday, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, I will create skincare video, either skincare, fashion, or beauty video. That's what I want to be doing because I don't want to be stressing myself too much. I'll try as much as possible to keep up with these two things every week because I don't think I can do that posting 3 times a day. And even at times once a day is always a chore for me. But I think I know I have to take content creation as a whole. I will have to tell you guys, I have not been consistent in creating content. I've not been taking it as serious as I should. I have not. I will have to be honest with you guys. I have not. But I pray by next year I will take it very serious because I really need for this my YouTube channel to be monetized. It's been so long and it's killing my morale. And I know that I'm part of the problem why it's not growing. So yeah, that's it. So those are just all what I said I should share with you guys. This is also going to be Vlogmas. I think this will be Vlogmas day 4. So that is what I said I should share with you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did to shoot this video for you guys. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends and family, leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section. I would really, really appreciate it. It will mean so much to me. And I'm so sorry if this video is too short, but I didn't just want to shoot this video for too long. I just had to do this. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, cherries.